Hello guys, a lot of you when you want to invest in dividend stocks, you try to see what are the benefits. So in this small video I will try just to explain these benefits. So let's go to the explanation board. Okay, so the benefits, the first benefit is to have extra cash. Now, what does it mean? It means if you have let's say a stock XYZ, it's just an example of a stock. Okay, it's just virtual, it's not a real one. Let's say you have 5% yield a year, It means this, when we say dividend, what do you mean by it? It means just some profit that the company give, okay, quarterly, and in the year it can be like having a percentage. Let's say I give you a big stock, at least you will understand what is it. Let's say the stock is $100. Okay, now if you buy 100 shares, so you are using $10,000 to buy these 100 shares. Okay, this is the capital that you use for this stock. The stock is $100. You bought 100 shares, and the capital is $10,000. Okay, now what is 5% from this $10,000? It means you will get $500 as cash. Now, cash, it is sent to your account, and it says dividend from a stock, and it will give you the stock that you are in. Now, this cash, what do you do with this cash? Okay, you can do two things with this cash. Now, either you buy more shares, okay, you buy more shares, or you can do a second thing, which is you get this cash from your account. Okay, so you get it and you spend it as whatever you like. Okay, just you spend it. Now understand that when you have $10,000, it is a small account, but if you have 100,000, 200,000, this cash will be a lot. Okay, now this is the first thing, extra cash. Now the second thing, which is really a good thing, is, as we said here, to buy more shares, which is the second benefit. I put it here, but it should be here. Now, what does it mean to buy more shares? It means you have extra cash each year, and this cash you are going to buy more shares. Okay, and suppose that you don't want to buy more shares, you want to get your money into your pocket, so you don't have to sell. So you are not going to sell shares, you are not going to sell, so no selling shares in your account, and this is a good thing by itself. So try to understand that in your future, if you are going to invest in dividend stocks, try to understand that you are getting cash, and you can either get the cash and spend it at your own expense, whatever you want to do with this money, or you can buy more shares. Now, when you buy more shares in the future, the dividend is 5%, for example, but your account will be bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you can make more and more and more money. So this is the basics, the basic things, or the basic benefits. You don't have to sell shares. This is one of the best things, but you are going to buy more shares, which is something beneficial. Now, instead of selling shares to get money, okay? So here you are not going to sell, you are just getting to get your cash, okay? And then you spend it as you like, okay? So for all you guys who are like, let's say, interested to go deep into investing, you should understand that you need to calculate all the things, and I have made video before to calculate these things and to make a plan what you are going to do, okay? So you know now the benefits, okay? You can just you get this cash into your account. It has nothing to do with your stock anymore because it is cash. You go to your account and you can take this money and you spend it. But you have the same shares that you bought, 100 shares, for example, of this company, so it doesn't change. This is very good. Or something you do better is you buy more shares. And through the years, you buy more, you buy more, you buy more. Your account will become bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you have questions, ask. Thank you very much.